Hello, this is Tom with Follett Technical Service. Today we are going to show you how to complete the cleaning and sanitizing procedure for a Champion 7 or 15 series unit. Before we begin, please be sure to use personal protective equipment. Follett recommends protective eyewear and gloves for this procedure. If no power to the unit, refer to the Champion 715 service manual at follettice.com. The tools and supplies you'll need are as follows. Champion 7 Series, 24 ounces, 0.71 liter, Safe Clean Plus liquid. Champion 15 Series, 48 ounces, 1.42 liter, Safe Clean Plus liquid. Funnel, bucket, multi-head screwdriver, towels. Cleaning and sanitizing procedures should be performed at least every 6 months, more often if local water conditions dictate. Begin the cleaning and sanitizing procedure using the user interface. Press question mark located on the upper right corner of the user interface. Scroll down and select the cleaning and sanitizing from the menu. Dispense all ice out of the unit. Remove the drip tray by pulling straight forward. Unscrew the chute. Remove one screw securing the front cover. Remove the front cover and set aside. Follett recommends setting the cover on the drip tray, which provides a stable base. Be careful not to stretch or damage any cables connecting the front cover to the unit. Remove plug drain from the end of the drain tube and lower tube to drain water into bucket. After the system has been drained of water, replace plug in the drain tube and secure tube and holder. Rear drain units. Locate the storage bin drain tube pinch clamp and engage. Hot water tank units. Locate the pinch clamp and engage. Remove top sheet metal cover and remove cap from bin lid cover. Screw cap onto dispense chute. Fill ice bin with hot water 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit to melt ice in evaporator. Wait 5 minutes and drain water. If equipped with a rear drain, disengage pinch clamp, drain water, and re-engage clamp. Locate lid and follow instructions. Champion 7 Series mix 24 ounce, 0.71 liter, Safe Clean Plus liquid with 3 gallons, 11.4 liter of hot 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit water. Champion 15 Series mix 48 ounces, 1.42 liter, Safe Clean Plus liquid with 6 gallons, 22.7 liter of hot 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit water. Pour Safe Clean Plus solution into bin lid access spout until solution reaches the spout neck. Verify solution maintains level at the spout neck. Allow solution to remain in unit for 15 minutes. Remove right side panel to access and clean the condenser. Submerge dispense chute, drip tray, and drip tray grill into remainder of solution for 2 minutes. Rinse with clean, potable water. Drain system by lowering drain tube into bucket. Return drain tube back into position. Rear drain units disengage the storage bin drain tube pinch clamp until cleaning solution is drained. Then engage the storage bin drain tube pinch clamp. Fill and drain twice with potable water. Unit can be filled by depressing the dispense water button on the user interface or fill manually through the ice bin lid. Return drain tube back into position when complete. Rear drain units, disengage the storage bin drain tube pinch clamp when complete. Hot tank units, disengage the hot tank vent tube pinch clamp when complete. Place a bucket under the dispense chute and remove cap. Caution: some solution will remain and drain out when cap is removed. When the cleaning and sanitizing procedure is finished, replace cap, lid, right side panel, cover, chute, and drip tray. Press complete on the user interface. Dispense water for 5 seconds to rinse the dispense tube. Hot water units dispense hot water for 5 seconds.